Here we will have an example of measures of shapes for ungrouped data, where we have an example for the measures of shapes. We have to look for the skewness and kurtosis, and this is the given example where the following data give the number of dresses made by a factory in 10 days, and these are the given, and then we have to find the skewness and kurtosis and interpret the result. So much better to have a tabular solution. So here we have a tabular solution for the X column, the scores, the given, and then we have to look for the mean first, where all we have to do is just get the total divided by the number of observations, which is equal to 10. Then the mean is 55.7, and then we have to look for the difference of the score and the mean. So this is equal to 50 minus 55.7, so negative 5.7. 52 minus 55.7 is negative 3.7, and so on. And then we have to find the square of this difference of the score and the mean. So 5.7 negative raised to square is 32.49. And then when we raise to cube, in order to have a column for the cube, so negative 5.7 raised to cube is negative 185.193. And then for the raised to the fourth is negative 5.7 raised to the fourth. So we have it here as 1055.6. Then all we have to do is just continue and then get the total. Then for the difference of the score and the mean raised to square is 142.10. For the difference of the score and the mean raised to cube is 241.813. For raised to the fourth is 4,651.577. So we have to consider the tabular solution right away, so that when we substitute to the formula for finding the standard deviation, so we have to look for the standard deviation first, and this is the formula: summation of x minus the mean raised to square over n minus 1 square root. So we have, from the table, we have 142.10 divided by 10 minus 1, and then using your calculator, the standard deviation is 3.97, and then we can now find the skewness first, which is equal to the sum of the score minus the mean raised to the cube divided by n divided by the s cube. S here refers to the standard deviation, and then from the table the sum is 241.813 divided by with 10 for the number of dresses, and then the standard deviation is 3.97 raised to cube. Then using your calculator, the skewness is 0.39, and then based from the theorem that the value of skewness is positive, but this is only 0.39, so this is our answer, or this is our interpretation, that the set of dresses made by the factory for 10 days is positively skewed but slightly symmetrical curve. And for the kurtosis, for the formula of kurtosis, this is the sum of the score minus the mean raised to the fourth divided by the n divided by s to the fourth. So from the table, we have the sum is 4,651.577 divided by 10 divided by 3.97 to the fourth. So again, using our calculator, the kurtosis value is 1.87. Now, the range for the kurtosis range from negative 3 to 3. Then we can say that the interpretation, the set of dresses made by the factory for 10 days has a platykurtic curve.